Stop scrolling. The traditional 9 to 5 job you grew up with is officially dead. The year 2026 has completely rewritten the rules of work, tossing the old playbook straight into the trash. What used to be a predictable routine is now replaced by a dynamic, ever-evolving landscape. This isn't just a minor shift, it's a seismic change. The world of employment is transforming faster than ever, and the boundaries between work and life are blurring. As we step into this new era, it's clear that clinging to old habits won't cut it. The future demands adaptability, creativity, and a willingness to embrace change. Let's dive into what's really happening. You've probably heard the rumors swirling around. AI is coming for your job. It's a topic that sparked anxiety and debate everywhere. But here's the secret that most people are too afraid to say out loud. The real story is much bigger than simple job loss. AI isn't just a threat. It's a tool, a partner, and a game changer. The world is shifting, and those who understand how to leverage AI will find themselves ahead of the curve. The question is whether AI will replace you, but how you can harness its power to elevate your own potential. Let's uncover what everyone's missing. It's not AI versus humans anymore. That's old news. The real game is AI plus humans versus everyone else who's too slow to adapt. This new alliance is reshaping industries and redefining what's possible. Those who combine their unique human skills with AI's capabilities are creating a powerful synergy. It's about collaboration, not competition. The winners are those who move quickly, learn fast, and embrace the partnership between man and machine. If you're not evolving, you're falling behind. The future belongs to those who adapt and innovate. In 2026, if you aren't part of a human AI team, you aren't just behind, you're invisible. You're obsolete. The pace of change is relentless, and those who fail to integrate AI into their workflow risk being left out entirely. The spotlight is now on those who can seamlessly blend human intuition with machine efficiency. If you're not actively collaborating with AI, you're missing out on opportunities, productivity, and relevance. The world is moving forward, and only those who embrace this new partnership will thrive. Think about it. One person now has the power to do the work of a 1,000-person agency. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of today's office. With AI tools at your disposal, tasks that once required massive teams can be accomplished by a single individual. Efficiency, scalability, and creativity are all within reach. The barriers to entry are lower, and the potential for impact is higher than ever. The workplace is transforming, and the solo operator is rising. Let's explore how this shift is changing everything. We are witnessing the great calibration. The line between worker and system architect has vanished forever. In this new landscape, everyone is expected to think strategically and design systems, not just execute tasks. The roles are blending, and the expectations are rising. It's no longer enough to simply follow instructions. You must understand the bigger picture and contribute to building smarter workflows. The future belongs to those who can calibrate their skills and mindset to match the demands of this evolving environment. Your real competition isn't a robot. It's a person just like you, but they've mastered the art of the machine. The playing field has shifted, and those who can skillfully use AI are the ones who stand out. It's about leveraging technology to amplify your strengths and outpace others. The challenge is not to beat the machine, but to become the best human-machine hybrid you can be. The winners are those who learn, adapt, and innovate faster than their peers. The AI handles the grind, the data, the boring repetition, the stuff that used to drain your soul by 2 p.m. Automation is freeing up time and energy, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. No longer bogged down by tedious tasks, you can channel your creativity and strategic thinking. The mundane is delegated to machines, while humans take on the roles that require intuition and vision. This shift is redefining productivity and job satisfaction. That leaves you to provide the only thing a machine can't: the heart, the strategy, the human intuition. While AI excels at processing data and handling routine work, it's your unique perspective, empathy, and creativity that drive true innovation. The partnership between human and machine is powerful, but it's the human element that sets you apart. Your ability to think outside the box, connect with others, and make strategic decisions is irreplaceable. This is the era of the solo corporation, where your creativity is the fuel and AI is the infinite engine. Individuals are empowered to achieve what once required entire organizations. The combination of personal vision and technological power is unlocking new possibilities. You are no longer limited by resources or manpower. Your imagination and AI's capabilities are the only limits. The workplace is evolving, and the solo operator is at the forefront. But wait, there is a massive trap that 99% of people are falling into right now. Do not miss this. Many are making critical mistakes in how they approach AI, believing that basic usage is enough. The reality is far more complex, and those who fail to understand this risk being left behind. It's essential to recognize the pitfalls and avoid complacency. The difference between success and failure lies in how you engage with technology. Most people think using AI means just asking a chatbot to write an email. That is the fastest way to get replaced. True mastery of AI goes far beyond simple tasks. It's about integrating AI into your workflow, leveraging its strengths, and building systems that amplify your abilities. Those who treat AI as a mere convenience are missing out on its transformative potential. The winners are those who use AI strategically. The real winners in 2026 are building digital twins of their own logic. They are scaling their minds, not just their tasks. By creating AI agents that replicate their thinking, they multiply their impact and efficiency. This approach allows for continuous growth and innovation as your digital counterparts work alongside you, learning and evolving. The future belongs to those who can scale their intelligence, not just their workload. Imagine having an army of AI agents that think exactly like you, work 24/7, and never sleep. That is the 2026 advantage. This new reality means your productivity and creativity are multiplied exponentially. With AI agents handling tasks around the clock, you can focus on strategy and vision. The competitive edge is clear. Those who harness this power will lead the way in the future of work.